Well, good morning, everybody. This is a home vlog. Y'all come hang out with me. Well, good afternoon, y'all. This is Terry with Terry's Travels, and today I am getting ready. I'm going to do a home vlog. I am preparing to go out of town here in another 4 or 5 days, and I need to do some prep my van for it, and I need to clean it up a little bit, but mostly I need to do some shopping. And I'm going to spend a little bit of time with my friend today, Jill. She and I are going to go to a festival here in Pearl. And so we're going to do that. And, but anyway, I was going to take y'all along with me. I do need to go by the dollar store. I need a couple of new tarps, but I need the small ones. I need the little bitty ones. And I'm going to see if the Dollar Tree has them, because my friend Sherry has bought me a couple of them, but I need some clean ones. I don't need anything that I can lay on the ground. I need them to be able to cover up stuff. So anyway, I want to do that. And so there's just some things I need to do. I need to go look at we're going to go buy more Reese's, and I'm going to probably look for a couple pairs of shorts or some jeans or something. So, but anyway, y'all come along with me and let's just go hang out, because it's going to be a fun day. We are at the festival here at Pearl, and goodness gracious, let's have a look-see at all the places there is to eat. The smell of crawfish is everywhere. All these good places to eat. So we're going to go down here and just check out what's going on. We're going to hang out here for a little while. What is this? Bubble waffles. That sounds good. I'm hoping that Lexi will enjoy stuff like this. This is nice right here.
Yeah.
Well, check out all these pickleball courts over here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We got a pickleball court at the gym.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Dizzy dragonflies. It's a good day. Have a good day. Oh, that is so cute. Let me tell you about my Jesus. I love it too. Oh, I like these right here. I guess they're like bag charms. That's what I would think they would be. Freshy Queen. These are things that you can hang up in your car. Oh, look, Jill. Alabama Crimson Tide. That's right up your alley. Now this is really, really cool. Here's some blind boxes. Hey! Hey girl! How are you? So what does this say? Pearl Day in the Park. Oh, they're selling t-shirts, y'all. Snackadoodles. Let's see. Is this freeze-dried? I think this is... Yeah, I think that all this is freeze-dried candies. Look at the cute outfits. Oh my goodness.
Look at the ladybug.
Oh, look at the ladybug. How cute is that?
Here's another ladybug.
That is so sweet.
Look at the unicorns
Oh,
and rainbows.
unicorns and rainbows. And look, y'all.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
How much are the little dresses?
How much are the dresses? Oh, look how cute.
How much are the little dresses?
What's some like
12. Okay. You hear that? 12.
Dirty sodas, $7. We walking on up into the outlet mall here at Pearl. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna see what we can find. Jill's looking for some clothes. I'm looking for some clothes for the summertime. So let's go check it out. Ooh, it doesn't seem very busy in here, I guess. Everybody's at Pearl Day. That's right. Yeah, are ready for the concert. They're getting ready for the concert. Yeah, I did. Hey, we're walking in Maurice's. We're gonna see what they have. And we might catch some sales up in here today, y'all. Oh yeah, they've got a lot of summer stuff, right? And their jeans are 50% off. Oh my goodness. Good, how are you? Vera Bradley stuff. And they've got some Disney stuff in here somewhere. Wonder where that's at. They did have it sitting out here. And then they got... Oh, it smells so good in here, y'all. Dreamy. Add blooms and make it dreamy. Yeah, I don't see it either. All right, y'all, this is the body care collection. And look, Tiana, Rapunzel. Oh, Milan, yeah. Oh, and Belle, we like her. Snow White, look at there. What does that smell like?
A beach.
Oh, it does smell good.
Constantly.
This is my favorite scent right here at the beach. I love that. Vacation Villa. You know what I wish? I wish they had the scents that that you could get like at the Disney resorts. You know, each resort has its own signature scent. That's what I wish that. Oh yeah, they do. I wish they had that here. Well, Jill and I were out at the festival and doing some shopping. Amazon came. So I've been waiting on this because I'm going to need this next weekend. It's my bug zapper. It's my bug zapper. Yeah, it's a little, I think, as I understand it, it's a little swampy where we're going to be going, or a little marshy, should I say. And so my friend informed me there's probably going to be a lot of mosquitoes, and she's right. It's warming up, and I'm sure the mosquitoes are going to be out. So I'm taking this with me. So I'm going to charge it. It comes with a charging cord, and yeah, I think it's going to work out really, really well. So this is just something else that I'm adding to my camping gadgets that's going to make my life a whole lot more comfortable while I'm out camping. I also want to show y'all something else. So yeah, I got these mounts for my GoPro, and I put them on there. I hope they stay. They're on there with some really sticky tape or whatever, and I'm hoping that they'll stay. This one I know will. This one is kind of questionable, but what I like about this one here is that it swivels, and so I can move my camera, you know, around and about if I need to. So, but I'm so excited for that. This is going to be another camping trip coming up later on in the month of May. But yeah, so I've got that done. And if you got any ideas on how to keep these things mounted, I hate to drill any more holes. But if you got some ideas, please let me know, because I have a feeling I'm going to be doing a lot of kayaking, and I'm going to be using my GoPro a whole lot this summer. Well, y'all, it's the next day, and Jill and I, we had a really good time yesterday. Just being at the festival and just hanging out, doing a little bit of shopping. That was really nice. And I got some pizza from Papa's Pizza, and that was really good. I love that place. It's a small little place here in Crystal Springs where we like to get something to eat every once in a while. And y'all, they serve the best pizza. But anyway, so it is the next day. You can see my cats back there. They're lounging around, and it is a nice day, y'all. I guess it's about 80 degrees. We had some rain last night, and so everything's good and fresh and smells nice. The pollen is down a little bit. I have decided on a name for my van. It's been a year since I bought her, and I have decided I am going to name her Vivian. That is after my mother's. That's my mother's name. My mother was a very adventurous kind of person, and when she got something in her head, she would jump off in it with both feet. I'm a lot like my mother, I guess. But yes, I am going to name her Vivian. Isn't that wonderful? I love that name. And every time I get inside my van, I think about my mother and think about the adventure she would love to go on. So in about a week or so, well, it's not even a week now, it's about 4 days from now, I'm going to be leaving for another camping adventure. I'm so excited about that. But I was thinking, since I'm not gonna, I do have another trip coming up at the end of May where I'm going to be doing some kayaking. And so I do want to, I don't think I want to put anything on the back of my van, a car pod or anything like that to try to haul it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside and I'm going to slide it in through my back door because it's a youth kayak. It's short and so I need to find a smaller tarp to lay over my bed because I don't want to slide a kayak in on top of this and get it nasty. So I've got to find, I'm going to try to see if I can go today to the Dollar Tree and see if I can find a couple of tarps to purchase. And I need to go by Walmart and pick up some hamburger meat because I think for this next camping trip that I'm going on, this next adventure, I think I want to make some spaghetti to take with me. And so I need to buy some hamburger meat for that. So anyway, I am headed to town to get some things that I need, and I'm going to carry y'all along with me. Let's go. So I just drove up to Dollar Tree. We're going to run in here and see if we can find any thing that we need. And hopefully there'll be some tarps in here. I really need one of those. So, and I do need a couple of snacks to take with me on this next camping trip. So let's walk in and see what we can see. Let's just walk in here and see if we can find what we need. And there's no telling what else in here that we could use that we just don't know about. Oh, I already see some pool noodles. Can always use some pool noodles. Oh, look at all these fun little flowers that you can stake into the ground. I love these. I might buy a couple of these for the shop. We have some flower pots on the front side of our shop. These would be cute to stick some of those in. Look at there, y'all. Some really cute beach bags. Sun hat and towels. Oh, wow. Here's some chairs. But I am really looking for some tarps. I'm hoping I can find some. Here's some more pole noodles. Some Hawaiian lays. Oh, party supplies. There's some more cups. Wow, yeah. I can't find what I'm looking for, but I have seen some cute stuff in here today. I guess I'm gonna head on over to Walmart. I'm gonna check out with a few things that I've got and then I'm gonna head out to Walmart. Well, I didn't find much in the dollar store at the Dollar Tree. We're going to run in here to Walmart. I think I'm going to go to the camping section to see if I can find a small tarp. I really do need one. Okay, we're walking into the Walmart. Let's see if we can find what we need in here today. Well, guess what? I found the tarp. It's not quite as small as I wanted, but it's what I can use. And look, it wasn't but $6.54. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I was looking at this fishing line. I need some new fishing line for my rod and reels. So, yeah. Ooh, they've got all sorts of hooks and they've got tons and tons of light lures. And look at these rod and reels right here. Is that cool? I love that color. Well, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful, glorious day out here. Y'all, the wind is blowing. It's so nice. There's no humidity in the air right now. It's really, really nice. But I wanted to talk to y'all. I am getting ready. I'm packing up my van because I'm just a couple of days away from actually leaving. So, but I wanted to show y'all what I do have in my van. All right, let me show y'all what I got going on here. Yes, I'm taking my air conditioner, I'm taking my pop-up tent or my pop-up canopy. I've already got some snacks in here. I've got my drinks in here. And I put a few things up under my bed that I'm going to be taking with me. I know it's hard to see, but anyway. I packed some more stuff in my boxes. I've got my bug zapper. So, and let's look at the back. I've got my bodega refrigerator in here, and I'm going to pack it up probably Thursday night and plug it in so it'll be good and cold. And then, because I'll leave Friday, today is Wednesday. So, anyway, I've got everything ready. I got everything that I need in my garage, I believe. And, yeah. So, I'm ready. I'm packed up. Well, just about packed. I don't have my clothes in here yet. Or I don't have my my bag that I put all my bath stuff in. But all of that's going to go right here. Well, my bath bag is probably going to go back here for now. And then when I get there and get everything kind of situated, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my toilet right there at nighttime. When I'm not using it, I'll put it away so that I can sit my chair up. And that way I'll have some room to move around in here. The air conditioner, it does take up a lot of room. But I'm just going to have to tell y'all, and when it's hot outside, this is nice to have. So, and of course, this thing won't be in the way. It'll be set up outside my van. So, but that'll be plenty enough room for me to move around. And I'll be just as happy as a lark in there. Also, I'll have room also to set up my chair. And it's located just right up under here. So, anyway, this is what I got going on. So anyway, I think I'm going to end my video here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for the last few days. And I like making these home vlogs because it gives me a chance to show y'all a little bit of how my day goes, you know, and what I'm doing throughout my week and whatever. And but anyway, and then we also too get to talk about a little bit of van stuff, you know. I'm so excited about my van life, and I'm so excited about where my van is going to take me into the future. So y'all keep watching, y'all keep subscribing, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Until then, bye.